Why, hello there. This is a different video, that's for sure. Um, Today we will be making something new. Yay! Uh, Ran out of ideas, so I thought, why not make an NFT? You know, make a bit of cha-ching out of it. Anybody say no to more cha-ching? That's what I'm trying to say. I just installed Illustrator. Don't know how to use it. We will be doing the drawing. I'm also using a mouse. No recommend, no. But I will be making me inside an NFT or Illustrator. Yeah. We start with the head. Wonderful. And then we make a eye, and then another eye, and then obviously the inside of an eye, and then the other inside. Oof, oh, wonderful. Give me a nice nose, like something like that, maybe. Actually, maybe this. There we go. And then give me a cute smile. Give me one of them cheeky one of them cheeky lines. You already know. And then we go on to making my wonderful broad shoulders. Because as everybody knows, I am a huge man, a huge species, a specimen of some sort. And then the arms go like this. That's my armpits, believe it or not. Wait, let me just close up my wrist. No, that's not my wrist. What is that? Where is that? That's like a shoulder, I think, or something. That should be my shoulder. If it's not a shoulder, then just you'll figure it out. And then we go down. Make me a bod. Yeah, we'll go with that. And then a leg. So starting from here, and then nice legs. And then make me a elbow. Oof. Another elbow. That don't look nice. And then close the bad boy. Yeah. And then I don't know why it says anchor. I don't like what's happening. I feel assaulted. And then make me fingers. Like so. Give me 4 fingers, you know. Man's feeling a bit, you know, a chromosome less, you know. Just missing a chromosome or two. And then looking like fries, you know. I was feeling different. What can I say? That's like 2 sides of me right there. And give me like. See, unfortunately, I'm not born with a thigh, so we'll just go with straight to a foot. Specifically a shoe. That's my shoe. And then my other shoe. And then like so. Gotta add a little bit of detail, but we'll blur it for the children, you know. Obviously, detail is the most important thing in art. My art, especially. And then give me an eyebrow. Give me what else? I'm missing a mustache. I ain't gonna lie. Like, there we go. And then a bit down here too. You already know. And then like this. Telling you, a specimen like none before. We will now make me abs. Oh, where is my pen? Oh, there it is. Give me like how many abs is that? I'm not counting. You're gonna have to count with me. You know, a little bit of math for you, you know. This ain't for free. You're gonna have to work with me. Ooh, rhyming. Not for free. Work with me. Call me Lilworth. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's like, what is that like? 6 times like 6 is no. You know. And then give me like muscles, obviously, like this, like this. And then like the glutes, the butt muscles, as we call them, the muscles. Yeah, yeah, I like it. And then all we're missing is a small, very, very small, actually, something like, this is actually the most important part of the art. The nostril. I might tear up. This right here. Perfect. Actually, before it ends, how do I add color? I don't see no color. Where is it? Is it this? Width tool? No. Eyedropper? No. Gradient? What's the gradient? I know we learned it in school, but I don't. No clue. I don't see. Oh, what is that? What does that do? No, leave my arm alone. Don't touch. Hi. If Google knows how to put color in Illustrator. Apply a fill color using the Tools panel or the Properties panel. Select a fill color by doing one of the following. Click a color in the Control panel, Color panel, Set swatches, I guess. Panel, Gradient panel, or a switch. There ain't no switch. That's a swatch. Swatch library. Double click the fill box and select a color from the color picker. Tools panel. I'm not gonna lie, I don't see no tools panel. Now this could be me being blind, but I don't see anything. Oh, what happened? Oh, don't touch. I am so lost. Properties. They said something about properties. The properties panel. Make me a quick nipples, of course. How could I? Oh, my pecs. Okay. Give him eyebrows or something. I don't know. Give him like. We'll get there eventually. Alright, there we go. Wonderful. Look, yeah. Oh, is it like this? That's how you use colors. But I wanna like paint the whole thing. Where's my? But don't make me go to paint. I'm gonna go to paint if I have to. How do you like print the whole thing, or what's that called? The bucket tool? Glowing edges. That, I don't know what that did, but something, I think. I don't see it. But that's the art. You don't see it. You know? Unless you do, well then it's a different story. You don't get challenges or difficulties in life unless you can't overcome them. So if you do end up getting any challenges, you just need to kill you. Oh, I think I something cut out. I meant to say you can just clip clop. Don't ask me what that is. I don't know either. Yeah.